Hello, good morning children. How are you all? Let us start our class with a short prayer. O God, our loving Father, help us, guide us and take care of us. Bless all our near and dear ones and take care of every one of us. Thank you, God. Children, how are you all? I hope you all are doing fine. Now let us continue with our topic of words, proverbs, idioms, right? It is a very interesting topic, right? Now children, when we were doing words, we saw that how we find out about arranging the letters according to the dictionary, right? Now here, you can also open your page to page number 135, which is chapter 27, right? There was second exercise which we did not do, right? So now that you all know how to find out dictionary words, please do me exercise second. See, use the dictionary to look up meanings of the following words. So you have to try to open the dictionary and check this word and then find the correct meaning and write here. Okay, now I will read the words for you. Awful. Now children, I am reading the words. You also try to say the words in the correct pronunciation. Okay, it's AW, but it's an awful. It's awful. Okay, say with me, awful. The second one is smart. Okay, smart. Third, central. Central. The fourth word, heavy. Heavy. The fifth one, break. Sixth, solve. Solve. Alter. Okay, it's AL, but we pronounce it as alter. Lousy. Okay, it is lousy. Then shallow. Okay, shallow. The next is normal. It is NORMAL, but R is silent. We don't say normal. We hear, right? We hear people saying normal, normal. So some people, when they see that R, they will make it a point that R is heard in their speaking. But usually there are some alphabets which are absent. When we talk, certain alphabets are there, but they are absent. We do not give the sound. Now here it is NOR, R, but that R pronunciation is absent. Okay, so we say normal. What do we say? Normal. The R is there, but it is absent while speaking. The sound of the R is absent. Then bark. Similar wise, another word is bark. It is BARK, bark. Okay, it is BARK, bark. Okay, this R. But while speaking, we don't say bark, bark. We don't say that way. We say bark. We take these two words and K. We say bark. Okay, bark. You say it that way. Now, the last one is leave. Leave. Okay, children. So here, try to pronounce the words the way I am telling you. Okay, so that you get the correct pronunciation. Okay, so these are the words. What you have to do is you have to find out the meaning from the dictionary and then you have to fill it up here. Okay, and we will discuss it for the Google Meet. Okay, now we will start with our subtopic, right? We have almost finished this chapter. We come to exercise 5, right? Now exercise 5 here, there are some proverbs and there are meanings. Now what you have to do or what you got to do is you have to match the expressions together with the meanings. Right. The first one, I will read it for you. Break the ice. What is to break the ice? It means to, to break the silence. We say break the ice between friends. So means two friends are not talking to each other, and what you do is you break the ice between them, means you start to talk. Right, means you break the silence. Both are like, and the other friend is sitting. So both are upset and angry with each other. There is some misunderstanding. So what a friend together does between them is she breaks the ice between both of them, means she starts talking and she brings some topics where both of them could start talking and become friends again. Okay, so break the ice. The second one, once in a blue moon. Okay, once in a blue moon means what? Once in a while. Okay, so if I say, for example, we eat ice cream once in a blue moon, means we eat ice cream once in a while. Suppose maybe once a month. Okay, so that's called once in a while or once in a blue moon. Now the expression is once in a blue moon, so you have to find the correct meaning to it. Okay, now spill the beans. The third one is spill the beans. Spill the beans means you have to, it means you give out some news to somebody, right? It's like you give out the secret to somebody, right? You say, while talking, she spilled the beans about the match. Means, while talking, she gave out some truth about some incident. Something is about to happen and she spilled the beans about the match. Means while talking, she gave out that secret. She spoke the truth. She gave out the secret about the match. Means, while talking, sometimes you give out some information, right? That is called spill the beans. Burn bridges. Yeah. The fourth one is burn bridges. Let me read out the remaining for you. Burn bridges on cloud 9. Okay. Piece of cake. Pull someone's leg. Okay. So these are, I explained to you 3 of them, right? The remaining of them, you have to think about it and find out and then match. So that part is your homework. Okay. So I explained 3 for you. The starting part of the 3. A, B and C. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 are left balance. That is for you. You have to think about it, match it and do it as your homework. We shall discuss it in the Google Meet. Right? Okay. So this till exercise 5 here we complete our proverbs. Okay children. Now we have to start with a new subtopic called anagrams. Okay. Anagrams. So now what is an anagram children? Does anybody know what is an anagram? Think about it. Have we done it before? Right? Have we done it? Now what is an anagram? Anagram is, what is it? Tell me. Anagrams are formed by rearranging the letters to find or to get a new word. Okay. Suppose you have a word, right? We rearrange the alphabets of the word to find a new word. That is called an anagram. Right children? So, we will do subtopic anagram today. Now, do you know what is anagram here? Some anagrams which are given here. You see calm. Do you see on page 130, 138, there are some anagrams which are given to you, right? Children, now we will do anagrams today. Okay, let me write a word on the Okay, children. Now, I will write a word on the board. Okay, just look at it. T. Okay? T. Can you make some new words from this word? Okay. Can you make some new words from this word? Yeah? What words can you make? Let us rearrange. Okay. Think about it. Come on, children. What new word can we make? Do this and find out for me. Right. Okay. Did you think about it? So, we can, what word can we find? We can find, or we can rearrange this and make eat. Right? We can make this word as eat. We can make another word out of this, right? Eight. So, from one word, when we rearrange the alphabets, we can make other new words. So, from T, we got eat and we got ate. So, these are the two new words that we got. Right, children? Now, now here, what is an anagram? What did I tell you? What is an anagram? An anagram is a word that we rearrange, right? We rearrange the alphabets, right? We rearrange the alphabets and we get a new word, right? Now, can you rearrange the word for anagram? Anagram, write in your book. Quickly take a pencil and take a book and write anagram. Now, question number 1. Rearrange the word anagram and tell me what it is. Okay, that is question number 1. Anagram. You rearrange this alphabets to it and find a new word for me. So that is your question number 1. Okay, children? So now I will see you in the next video.